Hello and welcome to part 1 of the Bitget copy trading experiment. So in this 3-part series, what we're going to do is we're going to experiment with the Bitget platform and with the copy trading aspect of Bitget. So on Bitget you have futures copy trading and you have spot copy trading. And let's see what the differences are with futures trading and spot trading. So crypto futures are contracts that represent the value of a specific cryptocurrency. You do not own the underlying cryptocurrency when you purchase a futures contract. So instead you own a contract under which you've agreed to buy or sell a specific currency at a later date. And then the other one is crypto spot trading, which we won't be doing in this video. It will be futures, but spot trading, for those who don't know, in the spot market you buy and sell currencies such as Bitcoin for immediate delivery. In other words, the cryptocurrencies are directly transferred between the market participants, the buyers and sellers. In a spot market you have direct ownership of the cryptocurrencies, so it's not a futures contract. You own the physical underlying asset. And for the purpose of this video, the exchange we will be using, the platform that we'll be using to do the copy trading is Bitget, as you can see here. When we were doing a research on Bitget, we found that it was the #1 exchange to do copy trading. There is a lot of other platforms out there that facilitate copy trading like eToro, BYBIT, etc. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to be using Bitget. If you're interested in Bitget, there's a link down below in the description with up to $8,000 deposit bonuses. You can check that out. And how the experiment will work is we're going to be investing $2,000 into 2 separate copying portfolios that we will copy trade, and then over the next 2 weeks and then 4 weeks we're going to do an update video on the channel where you can see the progress. Are we making money or are we losing money? So if you want to see those videos, make sure you're subscribed. Also make sure you've turned on the notification bell so you can see when those update videos come out. So let's get straight in and let's get copying. So first things first, we want to go over to bitget.com and click copy trading. As we can see here, there's over 100,000 traders, 400,000 followers, $350 million in realized profits. Get started in settings, boost your yields, access insider knowledge. Sounds good. So what I'm going to do is click futures copy trading. So we're in futures. Let's see the top traders. So here's the highest return on investment. So the traders with the highest return on investment, you can see here 4,700% return on investment, 4,500%, 4,000%. And what we can see is 988 out of 1,000. That's the amount of traders that are allowed to copy this one trader at one time. So that is set by the trader themselves. There's 1,000 spots available to copy trade this person, and there's 988 of those spots have been taken. We can see here the total amount that the trader has made themselves is $10,500. Here is the amount that the copy traders have profited, which is $174,000. And here we can see the assets under management. So there's $1.9 million in assets under management by this trader. So what that means is all of these 988 traders, this is the amount that they're trading with currently, which is $1.9 million. So when looking for a trader, you want to see who's trading with a decent size asset under management. Here we can see some of these traders minus 1,000%. So the copiers have lost combined $10,500. But if we click in, we can see more information on this. So let's look at the first one, which is Lamborghini, and this breaks down what they're trading, how they're trading, what they're like, the win rate, the drawdowns, the total profit and loss, the followers, total income, profit and loss ratio. You can also see the user's preference. So this is the cryptocurrencies that are preferred to be traded by this trader. So as we can see here, this trader mainly just trades with Bitcoin and Ethereum. And here we can see the position duration. So this is how long the trader has that trade open before closing it. So as you can see, some of them are really quick, 2-hour trades, 5-hour trades, and then some of them are even longer, which is like 5 days trades. So they are more longer term trades. But there's a good mixture of short-term trades and longer-term trades by this trader. And if we go to the last 3 weeks, we can see here that the losses are being cut pretty early. So these are cut within a day. This trader doesn't hold on to losses for long, which is good to see. So that's what you want to see when you're looking for a copy trader. You don't want someone who's holding on to losses and then they run away with the losses. So this trader, as you can see, cuts the losses early. But if you come down to the bottom here, we can see view more traders. So in this section, we can view by ranking, by followers, by return on investment, profit and loss, the copier's profit and loss, or the assets under management. So what I want to do for this experiment is I want to go with what I would perceive to be a higher risk trader, and I want to go with what I would perceive to be a lower risk trader. And as you can see here, some of the traders are full, but you can set an alert that if any spaces come available again for that selected trader, you can stick a reminder on and they will remind you when a spot becomes available. So the first one that I'm going to be copy trading is God of Wealth. We're going $1,000 in God of Wealth. So what is the stats on God of Wealth? So we've got a 98% hit rate, win rate, 10% drawdown, current ROI is 4,500%, the total profit and loss is $10,000, and the total asset under management this trader is trading with is $1.25 million. So we can see here the past month, the income for this trader has been steadily increasing, which is good to see. We can also see within the last month, this trader has been relatively successful, and with the losses are cut almost straight away, which is what we want to see. We don't want to see trades being held onto for too long and then the full account being liquidated. We don't want to see that. And this trader's preference is just Ethereum and Bitcoin, so pretty standard stuff. I would call this one low risk in my opinion. This is my low risk trader that I'm going to be copying. So what I do is click follow, agree to the Bitget copy trading agreement, confirm, then we click next. So follow the trader, let's go. So we've got God of Wealth here. As we can see, there is a 10% profit share ratio, which is fair enough. That trader's out there making me money. They can get a 10% share of the profits. That's fair. As we can see here, futures, here is the pairs that the trader will be trading. Now we come down to the follow mode. So the fixed value investment, $1,000 margin. So what we're going to do, this bit here, is the amount that's traded per trade. So follow mode, fixed value. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go per trade $100 fixed, $100 per trade. Then we come down to the risk management section here, and here is a stop loss ratio. So I can choose if the trade goes down 6%, I get stopped out. The trade goes down 20%, I get stopped out. But I'm just going to leave that there. Essentially, the whole point in copy trading is it's down to the trader. If the trader thinks that they should wait another 10% down, it's going to pull back, add to the position, whatever it is, then that's the whole point in copy trading. I don't want to interfere too much with the stop loss or the take profits, because if you do, it will change from the trader's profit and loss. It will be different. So I'm just going to keep it the same as it is. And then down here, the max follow. So the maximum I'm prepared to follow this trader with is $1,000. So I'll set it to $1,000. So that's $100 per trade, maximum follow $1,000. Go to next. And then I just confirm here. Here is the pairs that's been traded, confirm. And that is that. So when this trader places a trade, it will appear in this current trades section. And in here as well, we'll get the information on total follow amount, total profit and loss, which we'll be monitoring and we'll be coming back to in a video in 2 weeks to see the results of this. But next, let's go find another trader to invest another $1,000 with. So we'll go back to copy trading, futures copy trading, scroll down to the bottom, view more traders, and let's see if we can find a more risky trader, a trader that trades with maybe different cryptocurrencies rather than just Bitcoin and Ethereum, maybe an altcoin trader. So as we can see here, this trader has been absolutely wrecked in the past month. I don't know if he's been short in Bitcoin, maybe short in the market, but trader's been totally wrecked for the past month, and it shows in the stats. So this trader is trading altcoins. Let's look at the last month. So in the last month, it's been majority Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I can only imagine that this trader has been shorting and been getting wrecked essentially because the market has been pumping over the last month. As we can see here, the trader is low frequency trading, stable, and is more long-term trading. And as we can see on this chart, the position duration, so held on to this loss for 20 days and seeing some pretty big losses as well. So this trader doesn't cut the losses either. So I think this one is a bit too high risk, so I won't be choosing this trader. So to find the higher risk trader, we're going to go with aggressive and high frequency trading. let's have a look at this. So we're going to go with Q, this trader here, aggressive, stable, high frequency, low frequency. But if we come down to here to orders, we can see how they trade, the history. So the latest trades they've made is 50x leverage long positions on Ethereum and Bitcoin. As we can see here, 40% gain, 20% gain, 20% gain, 70% gain. So this trader maybe isn't the highest risk, but technically it's coming under an aggressive account, so we're going to go with this one. So what we do is click follow. The fixed investment value, we're going to go for $100 per trade, and then maximum follow is going to be $1,000 again, and then confirm. Next, confirm the copy trade information, confirm, and we're done. So both traders are now in the followed trader section and the overview section. And now we wait, because right now the market is heating up. Tomorrow we've got the Ethereum Shanghai upgrade going live, so again that will bring lots of volatility, which will be good for a trader to trade with that volatility. So we're going to see how these get on. If you want to be updated on these trades, how they get on, what you can make with $1,000 on copy trading, or what you can lose with $1,000 copy trading, we'll be doing an update in 2 weeks' time to see how it's going, to see if we're making money or if we're losing money. So if you want to see the next video, make sure you're subscribed. And a big one, make sure you've got the post notifications turned on as well, so that you're notified when any of the new videos that we make go live. And if you're interested in copy trading, there's a link for Bitget down below with up to $8,000 in deposit bonuses on there as well. So thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.